Welcome to John's Workshop Diary. Right, in the dark, every time I come into this van I always end up putting this light on, but that's just the light in the bathroom. So today in the workshop we're going to put a double switch there, and we're going to make a light to go up here, so when we come in the back of the van we can just put the light on. Right, let's go and get that done. Right, I've designed these two bits and then 3D printed them out for the base of my light. The base, and then there's the glass that goes on top. I've done that in two different colours, clear and white. I've got some of this aluminium tape which I've just put around the edge, and now I'm going to put some more in the centre, which I've pre-cut these bits. One bit. It. Give a bit of reflection on the bottom. Bought some of this LED strip which I'm going to cut down. Some scissors it says, so just cut a piece off there. Get rid of that. And I'll measure this around, see how big a piece I need. Oh, that was a joint. Got little marks where to cut them. Cut that there. Confirm that's right length. I don't want to turn backwards. Right. Yeah, it's about perfect there, it's just a bit over. Right, so we need to put some solder on that. In these bits. I've got this nice little wire, which is about the right thickness for this job. Tint on the ends. Right. There is a plus and minus on there to show you where the volts, which is the plus and minus. Enough. Right, if we put the hole through there with that, there we go. Put that wire through. We should be able to take this backing off. I need my glasses again. Right, got that. Well, that took a bit to get in there, but it was in quite nice. I did put a bit of aluminium tape around the edge on that for that to stick to fit better. I'll just get a cable tie and put on this, stop that pulling back now. And what I've done here, I've heated that up a little bit and just pushed that in, the nut at the back, so the screw fits in. It's a nice tight fit in the plastic as well anyway, so and that should go in there. Get it on the key. pneumatic. Right, we just need to test this now by putting some battery to it. There you go. It's pretty good, that does. Right, we'll go and get that in the van now. Right, I got all the wire in. I've just put some aluminium tape down there just to hold the wires back. They're going back down. There is another one for the toilet light. And I've got my 2 switch here, which I've got to tidy all up. And I've got to tidy my wires up here. So that's what I'm doing next. Right, got all that finished off. Printed off some little surrounds to go around the light fitting and that. Lights all working, and I've tidied it all up in the bathroom now. Put all that back nice and tidy. I'll put a download link for the light in the description and the LEDs. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye for now.